you are sure you want to crack Ipmat and get into IIMs right after class 12, the सबसे बड़ा decision that you will be making is choosing the right guidance. And LPT is here for you because this exam is not just about aptitude, it's also about strategy, consistency and direction, and that's where LPT will help you. At LPT, we don't just prepare you for an exam, we prepare you for the entire journey starting from your preparation to selection. With structured programs, expert mentorship and proven results, LPT has become one of the India's most trusted platforms for Ipmat preparation. We offer 3 core batches depending on where you are in your journey. Foundation batch, which is of 2 years for class 12 students who want to start early and build strong fundamentals. Target batch, that is for 1 year for class 12 students aiming to crack Ipmat alongside their schools. Then comes finisher batch, which is for droppers and repeaters who are focused on maximizing their final attempt. Alongside this, we also offer weekend batches for students with tight school schedules. And simultaneously, we also have dedicated English speaking batches for those whose first language is English. And if you are someone looking after CUET as well, you can also prepare for our 2 other type of courses for 1 year and 2 year formats, that is Ipmat plus CUET combo. So no matter where you stand, there's a badge designed at LPT specifically for you. Now our preparation goes beyond just Ipmat. We are not only trained for Ipmat exams like Ipmat Indore, Rohtak, Ipmat, but also other exams like IIM Kozhikode BMS exam, Bangalore's BBA, DB, BSc and other leading BBA programs too, that is NPAT SET, MAHCT and ZET. This ensures you always have multiple top college options available. At LPT, every student gets access to a complete preparation ecosystem. You get live interactive classes with expert faculty, recorded lectures for revision anytime. You'll be getting weekly doubt solving sessions too and regular class tests to ensure you are consistent. Now for concept clarity and fundamentals, non-math mastery module is there for students जो non-math background से है. Similarly, beginner friendly LR module is available too. And for your advanced prep, strategic boot camps before exams. There is LAMP, which is LPT Advanced Mentorship Program, where you get mentored directly by Ipmat toppers. And all of it just doesn't stop here. You get regular teacher-student interaction through personal guidance, PTMs with parents plus dedicated progress portal for parents. Plus you get a comprehensive book set of 23 plus books designed in-house, keeping in mind the Ipmat ecosystem. Coming to our faculties, you will be getting a bunch of expert faculties. They specialize in Ipmat preparation with a pedagogy that simplifies complex concepts and focuses on exam-relevant learning. The next very important segment is mocks, and at LPT they are not generic. They are designed exactly on the patterns of Ipmat Indore, Rohtak and Ipmat along with other BBA entrances. Here you also get a national all India ranking system to benchmark yourself against thousands of aspirants and an AI powered LMS portal. This system tracks your performance, accuracy, trends and gives you smart insights on exactly where you need to improve. So you're not just studying more, you are improving smarter. And unlike most platforms, we just don't stop at exams. You get complete personal interview preparation, ensuring 360-degree support till final selection. Speaking of results, in the last 2 years alone, LPT students haven't just appeared, they have converted 454 plus selections across top B schools in the last 2 years, 140 plus IIM converts in just 2 years, and this includes 80 plus IIM selections in 2025 alone. And these aren't outliers. This is what happens when preparation is structured, guided and consistent. At this point now, it's very simple. You either keep preparing randomly or you step into a system that's already delivering results. You can book a free demo and experience the classes yourself, get a free counseling session to plan your attempt, or take the scholarship test, LSAT, and unlock up to 100% scholarship on online coaching programs. Serious aspirants won't wait. They start early and they start right.